Nag-struggle kami sa first half, I think. Both teams were not scoring well. Mababa yung score. So, parang sabi ko, nakaka-good shot naman kami. So, tuloy-tuloy lang. Kung libre, tira. So, congrats, Sean.
Thank you.
So, mabuti naman. Nung huli, yun, nagpapasok na yung tira.
Coach, with this win, twice to beat na kayo. Thoughts mo lang kasi last conference, you were in contention for that incentive as well. Kaso nga lang si Berto nag-isip ko sa SEA Games.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yun, tama ka naman. No? We were in contention until Berto went to the SEA Games. Ngayon, sa pagkakataon na naman, and before that conference, nasa twice to beat din kami, not twice to beat naman kami. So, nandyan yung pagkakataon. So, we hope this time we can pull through this quarterfinals.
Shani, aside from facing your old team, I believe the past two games wasn't really some of your best games this conference after that hot start. So, was there like also that motivation to bounce back from those games?
Yeah, the past two games wasn't the best for me, but I still try to contribute for the team. And I just thank the coaching staff to continue to just believe in me and give me energy to get and confidence to continue to play with confidence when I'm out there on the floor.
Coach, you have one more game. So ano lang yung magiging mindset niyo coming into that game?
Still to win the game. Even na walang non-bearing na rin, pero still, we'd like to come in with a mindset of doing the right things, whether merong bearing o wala yung laro. So, importante yun.
Coach, ikaw medyo sobrang advanced naman mag-isip tong question ko, but there's a possibility na baka San Miguel ulit ang mga kalaban nyo based on the standings.
Yeah.
So, ano lang yung so, I mean,
Alam mo,
I know advance yun.
Yeah, alam mo kasi ano yan we talk about that. Pag nasa taas yung may hina, nasa baba yung malalakas. Pag nasa taas yung malalakas, nasa baba yung wala kang lulugaran eh. If you're at the top, that means the strong teams are below, di ba? Yung mga nag-championship already. So, ang ano lang dyan is where do you want to be? Do you want to be at the top and have a twice to beat against the championship teams that have been there, or do you want to be at the bottom and play and win twice with the championship teams? Hindi mo, ang hirap lumugar. Sa amin, ang hirap lumugar kasi baguhan kami dito. Sila nakailang championship na. But of course, we'll take this position anytime.
And last conference, you was a twice to beat, and we're converged now in NLEX. How do you plan to make sure that you make use of that incentive going to the quarter, or a chance to make it to the semifinals?
I just focus on like working hard every day, one day at a time. I mean, we still have one more game left, and then just continue to trust in our coaches and execute our coaches' game plan. So us as players, we're just here to work hard and follow the game plan for the coaches.
Coach, mabilis lang. You think maging kompleto na yung lineup nyo entering the quarterfinals?
Si Kevin lang naman ang wala eh. So, we will see in the next week how Kevin will be. Depende sa diagnosis ng doktor kung kailan siya makakabalik. Thank you.
Thank you, Coach.